you gotta be sneaky first. You gotta get up there, like you gotta get there alive, and you gotta get there. Yeah, and get there. Don't bump the bunker. Don't all those things that you can do that could give yourself away. And then you gotta listen. Big thing is listening, trying to figure out where the guys are. Use your teammates, and then you gotta wait for that chance to you can be like, all right, well, I got a guy up in the Dorito 3 or whatever. You pop out the wedge out of the center, a quick tap tap, and then keep it moving. Try to get the next guy because as soon as you start pumping a lot of paint somewhere, they're gonna be like, he's in the 50. Yeah, so and that's usually when you get shot. So or somebody comes and trades you out, and then you get a couple in your back. So I try. That would be my recommendation for sure.